All right, so usually when I polish exhaust tips or anything that's chrome or aluminum, depending on how bad they are, I'll just use this white diamond metal polish. It's good for chrome. It's really made for aluminum, but I've used it on both. And then for the condition of this tip, all I'm gonna use, you can use steel wool, very fine steel wool, or you can use SOS pad, a gray one. This is what I use. Usually it's good enough because you don't want to have too many scratches in there because then you'll really see it in the sun. So this will give a little bit of grit, and then this also has some grit in it. So once I'm done with all that, I'll see if I need to hit it with any kind of rotary polisher or anything, but for now I'm just going to try this. See how this looks after the first go round. Looks pretty good for hitting it just once. A few more times to try to get some of this corrosive material off. It's pretty rough, so I'm gonna go at it a few more times, and then I'll let you know if I do anything else besides these steps. Okay, so this is after I hit it a second time. It looks a lot better, but as you can see, it looks a little dull. And that's just from the corrosion over the years, and as well as me hitting it with that Scotch-Brite pad. So I'm gonna take it one step further and see if it gets any better. And if not, I'm going to hit it with a DA, and then if that doesn't work, we'll polish it with a rotary polisher. But this time, this is my favorite stuff. So Mother's magnesium and aluminum polish. Good stuff. So I'll show you what I do here. Yeah, not too bad. I could get it a little better here, but yeah, compared to what it was, I'm not complaining at all. I'm gonna hit it with the DA once and see what happens. Try to get everything somewhat covered. Then I just run it on a low speed, probably like a 4 here, and then when it starts to turn black, I will turn up the speed 1 or 2 settings, then wipe it off with a microfiber. take the excess and I rub it off. And yeah, that's a lot better. I can deal with that. Not perfect, but nothing about this truck is perfect right now. And I'm not trying to achieve that at the moment. That's all that is. Looks so much better. I mean, from here, beautiful. Yep, so mother's magnesium and aluminum polish, a DA, that one, that's a Griot's Garage in particular. And I did start off with that SOS pad, that Scotch Brite pad, so really turned out good. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Much better. I love it.